My brother-in-law gave my disabled little sister a brutal reality check which caused her to have a breakdown. My parents have 3 kids, Maya, me, and Sally. When Sally was born, she had some form of medical condition which led doctors to believe that she wouldn't survive at all. But my parents never gave up. They spent all their money and time for her treatment, and a miracle happened. She survived but now has brain deformities which impedes her ability to socialize. Since then they have coddled Sally to death. Maya was always supposed to behave and never complain while Sally was a brat. If Maya had a dollhouse, Sally had a bigger dollhouse. If Maya did something good, my parents would just say good job. But if Sally even won a participation trophy, they would basically throw a party. Since then, Maya has been walking on eggshells around my parents. The last straw for Maya was when she brought her college boyfriend home. She caught Sally and him doing the deed in the basement. My parents said it will be wrong to separate these lovebirds. That was it for Maya. She cut off contact.